Good evening, everyone. In a deeply emotional moment for millions of Catholics around the world, Pope Francis has passed away at the age of 88. The Vatican confirmed his death early this morning, April 21st, just week after what would be his final public appearance during the traditional Easter Sunday Urbi at Orbis Blessings. Born George Mario Bergoglio in Buenos Aires, Argentina, Pope Francis made history in 1930 by becoming the first pope from the America, the first Jesuit pope, and the first non-European pope in more than 12,000 years. Throughout his papacy, he was known for his humility, compassion, and outspoken advocacy on issues such as climate change, poverty, and refugee rights. Condolences have poured in from across the global. US President Donald Trump issued a statement calling the Pope a moral leader in a time of deep global division. Other tributes have come from the Archbishop of Canterbury, the Dalai Lama, and numerous heads of state, all acknowledging Pope Francis' dedication to peace and human dignity. As the world mourns, preparations are already underway. The papal conclave and secretive and ancient process in which cardinals from around the world will gather in the Sistine Chapel to elect the next leader of the Roman Catholic Church. The conclave is expected to take place within the next 2 weeks. Until then, the College of Cardinals will oversee the daily function of Vatican. For the faithful, this moment marks the end of remarkable era, one in which Pope Francis redefined the role of the modern papacy. His message of inclusion, forgiveness, and hope reached far beyond the wall of the Vatican.